Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen, certain windows or applications or files inside of a Zoom meeting. Before we begin, if this is your first time doing this, you're going to need to grant access to Zoom inside of your system preferences to share your screen. Open System Preferences by choosing the Apple logo in the top left and choosing System Preferences. Next, go to Security and Privacy and then choose the Privacy tab. If it's not already, choose the lock in the lower left and enter your password to unlock for changes. Next, in the left-hand side column, choose Accessibility and put a check next to Zoom. Do this in the screen recording section as well. When you're done, you can then lock the changes and then close System Preferences. Once you're done with that, open the Zoom app and start or join your meeting. Once you're in the meeting, you will see Share Screen in the middle of the bottom of the window. Select that and you will then have the different options that you can share. You see that I have two monitors hooked up to my machine, so I can select either one of those, or I can create a whiteboard or connect my iPhone. You will also be able to select certain application windows that you have open. On the Files tab at the top, you have the ability to select and share files through cloud storage services that you use. In the Advanced tab, you can choose options like selecting only parts of your screen or music or videos. If you choose to share a video, or if you're going to be sharing your screen and playing something that has audio, make sure that you check the box at the bottom of the window to share sound. When you're ready, click Share. Whatever option that you have selected to share will then be viewed by your other participants. When you're done, you can select Stop Share at the top. You can also get more menu options by sliding over to the green box and the menu will then appear. If you want to pause the share, select Pause Share. You can also switch to a new window by choosing New Share and then selecting the new window or item. And that's how you share your screen or other content inside of a Zoom meeting. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.